Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Now, first this evening, consumers can expect to pay less for goods in the economy.
The government says 16 food types have recorded a decrease in prices over the last few weeks.
Dwayne Anderson has that report.
I'd like to report that some prices have actually gone down.
Reduction in food prices. Music to the ears of overburdened consumers, many of whom have been struggling to afford some foods after the passage of Hurricane Beryl in July. The update on the market situation was presented by Industry and Commerce Minister Senator Aubin Hill on Friday.
Of the 53 local and imported agricultural products surveyed, in other words, a good range of products were surveyed, 16 items, 30% of that 53 recorded price declines ranging from 1% to 11%, indicating some stabilization in market conditions.
But some foods have not yet returned to pre-Beryl levels, meaning shoppers will have to continue digging deep into their pockets to buy those foods.
34 product items, that's 64%, still experienced increases, but were less severe, ranging from 1% to as high as I said before, 62% for pepper.
Thyme also saw a major spike in prices over the period with a 30% increase. The Consumer Affairs Commission (CAC) used prices from April and May to judge the level of increases and decreases after Hurricane Beryl. The entity is also actively monitoring the market to spot those companies not adhering to the Ministry of Industry's notice to companies not to overcharge consumers.
Part of making sure that the lowliest of our consumers are protected is to ensure that big businesses who might have commercial buying power and other powers play by the rules. And we've said, please, we encourage you to play by the rules. And just in case you decide not to play by the rules, the government and through this ministry will take the full course of the law against you. So we do not want to do that, but we will do it if you do not play by the rules.
The destruction of farms in parts of Manchester and St. Elizabeth by Hurricane Beryl has been largely blamed for the instability in certain food prices. The Ministry of Agriculture has been undertaking a recovery program to put some of the 48,000 affected farmers back into production. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.